Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to Martin Heidegger. Martin Heidegger was a German philosopher who is best known for contributions to phenomenology, hermeneutics, and existentialism. He is among the most important and influential philosophers of the 12th century. Dyson, in his 1927 book Being and Time, Heidegger rejects the Cartesian view of the human being as a subjective spectator of objects. The book instead holds that both subject and object are inseparable. In presenting being as inseparable, Heidegger introduced the term Dyson, literally being there, intended to embody a living being through the activity of being there and being in the world. Famously, Heidegger writes of Dyson as being in the world. Understood as unitary phenomenon rather than a contingent, additive combination, being in the world as an essential characteristic of Dyson. Being. The work claims that ordinary and even mundane being in the world provides access to the meaning or sense of being. This access via Dyson is also that in terms of which something becomes intelligible as something. This meaning would then elucidate ordinary pre-scientific understanding, which precedes abstract ways of knowing such as logic or theory. Time. Heidegger believes that time finds its meaning in death. That is, time is understood only from a finite or mortal vantage. Dyson's fundamental characteristic and mode of being in the world is temporal. Having been thrown into a world implies a pastness in its being. The present is a modal moment which makes past and future integrable. Dyson occupies itself with the present tasks required by goals it has projected on the future. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was a host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.